Hello guys, good morning. Salamat sa pag-subscribe and like and share. This is my yeah. Hello guys, welcome to my vlogs. Short break muna tayo kasi yan talaga binigay sa trabaho natin.